Good morning friends, welcome you all to the new video of DTC Academy. In this video we will discuss about the history of Indian insurance sector. This is very important as in LIC AAO exam main syllabus it is clearly mentioned that financial and insurance awareness. So we must know about the history of insurance companies in India. Also this is important topic for banking exam as it also comes under financial awareness. So let's start the video. First insurance company in India started way back in 1818. So first name of the first insurance company is Oriental Life Insurance Company. It was started in Kolkata. So you have to remember the name of the first insurance company in India. Also remember the first insurance company is Life Insurance Company. So it is started in 1818. At that time premium rates, what we call premium rates, whatever the money we are taking for giving the insurance we call premium rate. So premium rate is different for Indian and foreigners. For Indian people they are starting substandard, that is more premium compared to the foreigners. Now the next important point, first Indian insurance means formed by the Indian people, it is in 1870. Bombay Mutual Life Assurance Society. You have to look up this name. It's very important. There can be a direct question from this. What is the name of the first Indian insurer? So the name is Bombay Mutual Life Assurance Society. It is started in 1870. After this, there are many companies, Indian and also foreigners, started their operation in India. That are not that important. You have to keep only these two in point. The first company in India and the first Indian insurance company, Indian insurance company, and premium rates are different for Indian and foreigners. So next move on. So first Insurance Act in 1912, the Life Insurance Companies Act and the Provident Fund Act were passed to regulate the insurance premium. This was first act. In history of Indian insurance, there are two acts from one first insurance act we call first insurance act and we call second insurance act. This is the question for you. When second insurance act we call second insurance act formed in India? You have to tell the year in comments. I am repeating my question. You have to told the year of second insurance act in India. First insurance act is formed in 1912. It made compulsory this act, the provision under this act, the important provision under this act, the premium tables and periodical valuation of companies should be certified by the actuary. Before this, there is no need, individual company can directly publish their premium rates, but after this act every company needs to be get evaluated their premium rates from the certified actuary, but still premium rates still difference between premium rates still exist for Indian and for foreigners. So first Indian act formed in 1912 and you have to tell or in which year second insurance act come into existence. So as I said, after 1818 and 1870, there are many Indian and foreigner companies come into existence. So this is pre-independence era. Now we will look after what happened after independence. Up to 1956, all this is continuing, and insurance business is regulated by the Second Insurance Act that come in existence in year 1938. So the big news that it happened in 1956 when Life Insurance Corporation, that is LIC, come into existence. That is called by LIC Act 1956. So if question comes, in which year LIC Act came into existence? So it is on 1956. 1956. So you can say this is statutory organization as it comes by the by the law. So, Government of India has issued ordinance on 19 January 1956, nationalizing Indian insurance sector, and LIC come into existence. So, uh, as you all know, there are many private companies, government companies, and provident societies. So, you have to remember this figure: 154 Indian insurance company, 154 Indian insurance company, 16 non-Indian insurance, and also 75 provident societies. Total 245. You have to keep this figure in mind. 245. I am repeating once again. Total 154 Indian insurance company, 16 non-Indian, that is foreigner insurance company, and 75 provident societies. Uh, all these are amalgamated into one big insurance company and named as Life Insurance Corporation and formed in 1956. So so it is declared on 19 by ordinance 19 January 1956, but LIC starts its operation on 1st September 1956, that we celebrated as LIC Day. So this is the history of how LIC India has formed. Uh, I have one question for you, friends. As headquarters of LIC India is in Mumbai, can you tell me the name of the LIC headquarters building? I am repeating my question. Can you tell me the name of LIC headquarters building? Okay, let's move on. As all of you know, there are two uh, there are two sectors in insurance. One is life, one is non-life, or you can say general insurance. So uh, we have seen about what happened to the life insurance industry. So after 1956, there is only one insurance, that is LIC. No other life insurance company is present. Only one insurance company is present in life sector. That too is nationalized insurance. Only one government company is present. So now what happened to general insurance sector? General insurance sector, many private companies are present up to 1972. So in 1972, government decided to nationalize the general insurance sector also. So with effect from 1st January 1973, government nationalized general insurance business also. But act is GIC Act, General Insurance Corporation Act 1970. So act is 1972, but actual effect from 1973, 1st January. As we said about LIC, 245 companies were amalgamated into one. For general insurance, 107 company amalgamated into group of 4 company. Here government not form a single company like LIC. You have to remember this. After amalgamation of 107 companies, 4 different companies are formed, namely National Insurance Company Limited, the New India Assurance Company Limited, Oriental Insurance Company Limited, United India Insurance Company Limited. So I am repeating once again the 4 names: National, United, New India, Oriental. These are the 4 companies formed, and the headquarters of these 4 companies are situated in different cities, metro cities. So, second question for you: you have to say the headquarters of all these companies. In which cities these all 4 headquarters of all these 4 companies are situated? So this is about. So now question will come in your mind: what about GIC? We will discuss it later. So LIC and GIC monopoly up to late 90s, that up to 1999, LIC and GIC has complete monopoly. No other company is operating in this sector. In life insurance sector, LIC is the only company, and in general insurance sector, GIC has the only with his 4 subsidiaries. So now with effect from December 2000, these 4 companies are dealing from GIC. That is, firstly they are operated under GIC and is controlled by GIC, you can say. But after December 2000, these are the separate companies. There is no control of GIC. Each company has given its own right to operate their operations in India. So four different companies are formed. Privatization of insurance sector. So as I said, up to 1999 there is a monopoly of LIC and GIC. Privatization start happening from 1999. Up to 1999 there was no private insurance company. So government of India has introduced IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority Act. Now it is called Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India Act 1999. So they regulated the insurance sector and allowed private companies. Uh, One thing you have to keep in mind, which committee has recommendation of privatization of insurance sector. So there is committee formed in 1993, Malhotra Committee, Dr. R.N. Malhotra Committee. Keep the name in mind. In 1993, committee Dr. R.N. Malhotra Committee formed. Due to the recommendation of this committee, insurance business in India get privatized, but it to come into effect it takes 7 years. So finally in 2000, after forming the act, IRDA Act in 1999, insurance sector is privatized. So firstly there is a cap of 26%. FDI, what we say, foreign direct investment in insurance sector, is capped at 26%. At 26%, now it recently changes to what percentage? Another question. You have to told me the FDI limit in insurance sector at present. So this is the privatization of insurance sector. It is again, I am once again saying this name, Dr. R.N. Malhotra Committee. You have to keep in this mind. And IRDA Act come into existence in 1999. Let's move on. So what is the present situation? So present situation, there is LIC, only nationalized life insurance company. At present also only one nationalized insurance company is there, that is LIC, and biggest, still 70% market share is held by LIC. For nationalized general insurance company, that is D-Link from LIC, United National Oriental, and total life insurance companies 24, including LIC. So total life insurance companies are 24, including LIC. Total general insurance company are 34, including these four nationalized companies. So this is the present situation. Now what about GIC? As I told, four subsidiaries are delinked from GIC in 2000. Then what happened to the GIC? GIC is converted into reinsurance. So at present GIC is the only reinsurer present in India. So you have to keep in mind that GIC is reinsurer now. There are two questions for you. After privatization of insurance sector, which are the first two life insurance companies that have started their operation? Which are first two private life insurance companies that started their operation in 2000, and what are general private insurance company that have started their operation in 2001? I have told you the year. You have to tell me the name. Tell me the names of private life insurance. First private life insurance company started in India, and first private general insurance company started in India. And one another information for you. In 2002, banks has given permission to carry out the insurance business. Nowadays in news we are seeing many bank insurance contract, that is bank and insurance company coming together and joining their hands. So the banking sector has given permission to conduct insurance business in 2002. So this is all about the insurance sector, how it started, and what is the present situation in India today, and in between what happened. If you have any doubts, you can ask in comment section, and I have also asked you the few questions. Try to give answer in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Thank you.